Did you know there is a little inhabitant in the intestine that helps to control the emotions, the way the brain functions, and protecting pathogens? This small inhabitant is called the gut microbiota. The microbiota is a microorganism community composed of virus, bacteria, fungi, and any other single-cell organism. Why it is important to know about this microorganism? Well, it is important because know about what it is and how it is composed. It will encourage to select what we eat to take care of the gut microbiota in our body and improve our healthy lifestyle. Today we will learn about the role of the microbiota has to maintain our health. First, I will talk about what microbiota is in detail and where it can be found, and then I will explain the impact that microbiota has in physical health. Lastly, I will explain the impact that has in mental health. Now, to switch our attention, let's start our microbiota journey explanation by defining it and explore where this little inhabitant lives in our body. In the article of Biochemical Journal on June 1, 2017, Elizabeth Thursby, principal clinical scientist, and Natalie Hughes, research leader at Institute of Food, defined the gut microbiota as over the course of 1,000 years, a collection of bacteria, eukarya, and archaea have formed a mutually beneficial relationship which colonize in the gastrointestinal tract of the body. In the article, The Gut Microbiota for Health, I found that even the gastrointestinal tract has the most density pollution of microbial habitats. There's other microbes that can be found in nose, mouth, throat, throat, vagina, and skin. After defining what microbiota is and where it can be found, it is important to know the impact that has on physical health. The gut microbiota plays as a hero, helping the immune system to defend against the malignant virus and pathogens. In the article, The Gut Microbiota in Infectious and Inflammatory Disease on March 2023, Guilherme Century Muller, a professor, explained that the gut microbiota helps the immune system to recognize who are the good guys from the bad guys bacteria, because without this, the immune system will be able to recognize who are the harmful bacteria from our body and fight against them. Furthermore, in the article explained that the gut microbiota not only helps the immune system, it also helps the digestive system. The microorganisms helps to break down the food and convert it into nutrients that the body can use. Also, it produces a substance such as the short chain fatty acid that can act as a messenger to the immune system to prevent unnecessary inflammation. Now that we know how gut microbiota impact the physical health, I think it is important to know how impact the mental health. Have you ever had the gut feeling or butterflies in your stomach? This is because the gut microbiota can influence how you feel through nerves. In the article, What to Know About the Gut Microbiota Connections, explained that the gut microbiota influence the brain through synapse conversations between the digestive system and the central nervous system. It's like having a conversation between the brain and the gut that affecting the emotions aspects like anxiety and anxiety, such as butterflies in the stomach. The gut microbiota is in charge to create vitamins such as vitamin B9. These vitamins are transported to the brain through the blood-brain barrier, and it can be influence the mood of someone. Romania Techno DC on Biophysics on February 2022, explaining her article How Your Gut Microbiota is Linked to the Depression and Anxiety. When the gut residents are not making enough vitamins like B9, it can affect the performance of the brain and leading to the state of depression. As we see, there is a big community living inside of us, and that helps to maintain our healthy and happy. In short, we learn about the importance of gut microbiota to maintain our health. First, I define what the gut microbiota is and explain where it can be found, these microorganisms. Then I explain the impact of both physical and mental health. I hope after know about this little community is living inside of you, now you can take care of more of your lifestyle and keep the community healthy.